Hey Lance and Lindsay, this is John with DR Horton Homes. I thought I'd get you a little video of your home. I haven't done so in a while, but we haven't had the weather for it either. So it is looking fantastic. Let's get that true curb appeal of this big old arch. Your brickwork looks really, really good. We're prepared for your driveway coming in. Front door is painted. Beautiful day for a video, by the way. So let's get inside and see what we got going on. So still in kind of an ugly duckling stage, as you know, pretty normal for this. But we have lights in, interior trim and paint is done. Your appliances looking good. Backsplash and counters. That study has been ordered for that, and material in there as we spoke on. Anyway, plumbing, electrical finals. So we got fixtures in, we got blackened some mirrors. Pretty good shape. Like I said, it's dirty, it's not pretty, but we are getting some great work done. Check out what you guys will get to see on a regular basis is these beautiful mature trees. Again, your pretty kitchen. I'll give you a quick snapshot of going upstairs also. So, cool stuff. Love the natural light from those two front windows there. In particular, just for me. All bath. Kiddos' rooms. And again, that golf court lives real well with these two nice big closets back here. Here's their view, which is just phenomenal to me. Anyway, that is it, guys. You have a great day.